Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the basics of a duplicate stitch. This can be useful when adding the details like the tree in the back of the truck and the tires on the truck. You can also use it to add a name if you want to just knit your stocking before you know the name that you're going to put on it, and then you can add the name later. So to start, you want to have your pattern planned out and figure out where your starting stitch is, and then you insert from the inside and follow the V's. You can see the V's are in lines going down, and you're basically just going to follow V's to make your duplicate stitch. So you want to make sure you leave a tail that you can weave in afterwards, 4 or 5 inches. And then the duplicate stitch, you just follow the V. So I'm going to go between the two legs that are above and pull my yarn through, and then you go back into the stitch where you started. And so you can see I've made my first little V there. And if I want to do the one next to it, I just come up in that hole, under the V, and you don't have to go in, like go push the needle all the way through. You can just put it in and come up in the next place where you want to stitch. It's just less pulling the yarn through. Now you can see I've got 3 stitches completed there, and I can complete this last one here. And then if I want to go down, you just kind of go under the bar that's in there. And once I've got these established, I can just go under the white stitches above it. That makes it a little smoother. Okay. So you can see I'm just going under these white V. And then to finish, you just go straight through the bottom. And there's your duplicate stitch. You can see it is kind of textured, it's raised up a little bit. So whenever I'm making stockings, I do prefer to stitch the name straight into the pattern so that it's not textured here. But it's kind of fun to have some texture on the tree and the tires in the rest of the pattern. And if I were finished, I would just weave in my stitches on the back by following these channels. You go under 2 here, and then you would kind of crisscross back and forth. That's how you do the duplicate stitch.